Scissors of various types can be sharpened with the SVX 150. It can handle all sizes from normal paper scissors to heavy garden shears. The jig comprises this holder, where the scissor blades are mounted. And an adjustable plate for the universal support. The Tormek design increases the locking pressure by 250%, so it remains locked firmly in place. Position the universal support closely to the stone. By coloring the bevel, you can easily see where the sharpening will take place. In this way, you will remove less material and the sharpening will be quicker. 60 degrees is a common edge angle for scissors. One blade, or sometimes both, could have a slight convex shape. Thanks to the Tormek design, you can follow each blade's individual shape and achieve an even bevel along the whole length. Now you have scissors with a real bite. The small burr that has been created can easily be removed by drawing it through a piece of end grain wood.